Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Kalman Trend Strength Oscillator. If you want to know the secret to accurate Forex trend analysis, then this indicator could be a game changer for you when it comes to measuring trend strength, okay? So in this video, we're just going to be breaking it all down. If you're serious about trading Forex and you want to improve your trend analysis skills, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let us jump right in. Now, I'm going to add the Kalman Trend Strength Oscillator to the chart. Okay. So this is the Kalman Trend Strength Oscillator. All right. This is an advanced tool that helps traders measure the strength of a trend with greater accuracy than standard indicators. So unlike traditional oscillators like the RSI or the MACD, it uses Kalman filtering techniques to smooth price data while still reacting quickly to trend changes. So this means that traders get more reliable signals with reduced noise and fewer false reversals. Okay, so how do we use this indicator to analyze trend strength? Here's what to look for. When the oscillator is rising, it confirms a strong bullish trend, especially when the color is green. In fact, when the oscillator climbs above the zero level, rising up above the zero level, and green in color, it confirms bullish momentum. Okay? On the other hand, when the oscillator is falling, when it drops below the zero level and red in color, it confirms strong bearish trend. Okay? Now, when there is a flat or choppy movement in the oscillator, that indicates, when there is flat or choppy movement in the indicator, that indicates a weak or ranging market. And you can see that there is also a line on the price chart in addition to that which is in the indicator window. All right. So by focusing on these signals, traders can avoid bad trades and only enter the market when a trend is gaining strength. Now that we know how to read this indicator, here is how to use it for high probability trades. The first is trend confirmation. Only take trades when the oscillator confirms a strong trend. All right. For example, if this is a sell signal, you can see we had a sell signal around here as price dropped below this line, this indicator line, and the line changed color to red. At the same time, the oscillator turned red. You can see the oscillator turned red and even dropped below the zero level. So if we had entered a sell, let's say around here, this would have been a good place to enter because we got sell signals just after price formed a double top. This is what we call confluence, right? So we got a confirmation from a chart pattern and even from a trend line, because you can see that there was a break of this trend, bullish trend line. There was a break of the bullish trend line, right? So this would have been a great place to enter a sell. And then we'll enter a sell, can set a stop loss above the swing high, previous swing high. Then for our take profit, you can actually decide to use support zones, right? Can you decide to support, or we can just wait for the indicator to change the color back to green. Okay. All right. And then you can use this indicator for breakout trading. You wait for the oscillator to show a strong shift when price breaks a key level. Like what happened here, we had a breakout. You know, initially this was a bullish trend, right? But we had a breakout to the downside. So the oscillator also confirmed that breakout because suddenly the color changed to red. Can you see? This these swings did not change to red, but this particular one changed to red. It confirmed the breakout to the downside. Okay, and then with respect to divergence signals, if price is moving up, for example, if price is moving up and then the oscillator starts falling, you can see at this point the oscillator started falling. Can you see? If price is moving up but the oscillator is falling, it may signal a reversal. That a reversal is imminent. Now, to improve accuracy, you can combine the Kalman Trend Strength Oscillator with other tools. For example, you can decide to add moving average to the chart. If you add moving average to the chart, you can use maybe a 50 EMA or a 200 EMA depending on your trading style. All right, depending on your trading style. So you can use the moving average to confirm trend direction, long-term trend direction. So in this case, we can see that this was actually a sell trend. You can also pay attention to your support and resistance zones. Very important zones. Very, very important. Do not neglect these zones. They are very critical zones that gives you a heads up as to where price could, possibly reverse and stall. You can also combine with MACD or RSI for extra confirmation. Okay, when you enter trades near key price levels, for example, entering a sell close to a resistance or entering a buy close to a support, it even adds, more confidence, adds a layer of confidence to that trade. No matter how strong an indicator is, risk management is key. So here's how to stay safe. You can set a stop loss. You can set stop loss levels based on recent support and resistance. All right, set stop loss levels based on recent support and resistance. Also, avoid trading against the trend. Okay, even if the oscillator shows a short-term signal. All right, avoid trading against the trend even if the oscillator shows a short-term signal. And if the oscillator is unclear or flat. So, for example, if we are in a sell trend, do not even attempt to enter a buy position. Just look for only sell opportunities to be on the safer side. Okay. And if the oscillator is unclear or flat, just stay out of the market to avoid bad trades. You want to only engage in high probability trades. Okay. You want to engage in high probability trades to increase your chances of success. So the Kalman Trend Strength Oscillator is an incredibly effective tool for accurate Forex trend analysis. However, it does not guarantee profit, okay? It does not have 100% accuracy in as much as it's a good indicator, but it's not foolproof. Meanwhile, it helps traders filter out market noise and spot strong trends with confidence. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and comment below if you want more videos on advanced Forex indicators. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert strategies. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.